Welcome to a lesson with Dr. Powell. Let's take a look at how we can find the equation of a line through 2 points in space. So if we have 2 points, and I'll write them as vectors even, 1, 2, 5, because the points can be written as vectors. And let's say we have like 2, -3, and 4. Okay, so we have these 2 vectors here, or these 2 points, which are like vectors, all right? So call this like, so call this P and call this Q maybe. So we have P and we have Q, and from the origin you can think, okay, they're vectors. Now it's nice to think about them as vectors because what we'd like is we want a line that goes between them. So if we were to start at P, we need a vector that goes in the direction toward Q. Well, it would suffice just to use a vector like this from P to Q. How do you get this? Well, think, this vector plus that vector clearly is this one by arrow adding, right? We go tail, we put this tail to the tip, and then we see kind of the resultant. So we have this plus this is this, so that actually means that this minus this is that. This minus this is that, or in other words, we could think of it as Q minus P is a vector v that we want, especially since Q is equal to P plus V, right, in vector math. Okay, so now how do we get, so to get V, we simply take Q and we subtract P. So Q minus P, so 2, -3, 4, and 1, 2, 5, just subtract them. We get 1 minus 5 and minus 1. So there's our V. All right, so it should be pretty clear what to do from here. The equation of the line is simply, we think of a vector equation. It's going to be T, it's going to be T times V plus and P, because that's kind of where we're starting, at least in our setup with what we defined as V, to be V. So plus P. So we can look at this, we can even just right here, we can multiply this by T, 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 and then we can just put right here what P is, 1, 2, 5, and add. So we have T plus 1, -5T plus 2, and -T plus 5. And that right there is the vector equation of the line. Thanks for watching.